Do you see the red lights coming on? Somewhere?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, it's good. Okay, going on the rudders. So we're going to listen to our headsets here. Get the weight off the nose wheel. Like so. There's that noise. You hear the noise?
Yeah, the static.
Yeah, it's awful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really loud.
Yeah, it's terrible. That's from this radio. See, it's a function of RPM. When I get the RPM down around 2,000, 1,900, it tends to go away.
Weird.
Yeah, I think it's a function of the outside noise. Okay, got us airborne at 115. We should be coming back around 145.
Sounds good. How many flights have you had on the RV?
How many have I had?
Yeah.
A lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know how many. Yeah, this is what's called downwind. Try to pull the power back to where that noise goes away.
Yeah.
So we just kind of keep that. Yeah, did you get that thing started?
Oh.
You can start it now. That's okay. Just get it started.
Just hit enter?
Yeah, enter and fill, and it should be logging, hopefully.
Do I hit save?
What's that?
Do I hit save?
No, just leave it. That should do it.
It's going, right?
Yeah, it should go. It
Okay.
should be going, yeah. I can't tell till we land. When you stop, you'll hit the stop button. Hey, you want to fly a little bit?
Sure.
Okay, just kind of look at that attitude since you haven't flown before.
Right.
Just kind of look at that, get on the stick. Very sensitive stick.
Okay.
Okay?
007 Romeo, sorry, 0 Sierra Romeo, say parking.
Nice day though, huh?
Yeah, this is nice.
Romeo, turn.
Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off.
Frequency, good day.